Hey everyone, one of those scooters that surprises you long before you set foot on it is the Ausom L1. Its angular frame, gray finish, and orange highlights give it an initially rough, almost industrial appearance. However, the closer you get, the more you understand that this is intentional engineering rather than rudimentary design. Everything feels sturdy, neatly put together, and comfortingly long-lasting. The L1's weight of 27 kilos does not make it appear extremely portable, but it does convey a distinct sense of luxury. The stem is among the first things you notice. Ausom employs a rectangular construction that feels extremely stiff in place of the conventional circular tube. Even when the handlebars are elevated to their greatest position, there is no flex, play, or wobble. Additionally, they have a great deal of height adjustment. The L1 can accommodate riders ranging in height from 1.40 meters to almost 2 meters. The scooter retains the same rigidity and accuracy, whether you ride tall and upright or low, compact and sporty. The deck is spacious, pleasant, and well-proportioned. Although the lack of a rubberized top surface may be a disadvantage on wet terrain, the structural plastic nevertheless offers respectable traction. You can brace yourself naturally when accelerating thanks to the rear footrest's ideal angle, which is neither too high nor too flat. This has a significant impact on such a potent rear-drive scooter. You feel steady, rooted, and prepared for the torque. An 800-watt rear motor and a 15.6 ampere-hour battery provide more than enough power to propel the scooter. The front wheel remains solidly grounded, and it lacks the aggressive kick of certain rear-wheel scooters. You may push strongly for steep climbs or cruise slowly when necessary, thanks to the throttle's precise modulation and index finger control. In actuality, the L1 does a remarkable job managing hills. The comfort of the scooter is greatly influenced by the suspension. Potholes, uneven asphalt, and even light off-road conditions are absorbed by Ausom's front and rear adjustable spring arms. The L1 doesn't glide like a mountain bike on sandy or wooded trails, but it manages to pass without requiring you to dismount. You get a ride that feels stable and forgiving when you combine this with 10-inch pneumatic tires, especially at higher speeds. The scooter motivates you to explore areas you may otherwise avoid and can do more than you might have thought. The L1's anti-drift steering alignment is one of its most ingenious features. A faint notch that secures the front wheel in a precisely straight line is felt when the handlebars return to center. This helps maintain balance and increases the stability of straight-line riding, particularly at greater speeds without restricting turning. Although it's a little engineering element, it contributes to the overall impression that the scooter was thoughtfully designed. The L1 exhibits a combination of strength, comfort, and balance when riding in the real world. It can climb hills competitively with other 800-watt models and has a practical range of roughly 45 kilometers. Nevertheless, the whole experience is just remarkable. This is not an inexpensive scooter that has been made up to appear high-end. It feels engineered rather than manufactured, and it is a sturdy, well-made machine. Long daily trips, untidy walkways, and real-world roadways can all be handled by it. The Ausom L1 seems to be the entry-level model of a well-established company. For riders looking for something robust, dependable, and able to handle more than simply clean bike lanes, its power, range, build quality, and careful engineering make it an exceptional choice. You are encouraged to push, test, and appreciate this scooter, and it piques your interest in what else this brand might be able to do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.